For many years, I did my best to avoid social media at all costs. I hated it with a passion. But in 2024, I've come to understand it does play a vital role in the modern dating game. So in this video, I'm going to show you how a profile with very few pictures, barely any followers, can actually secure you amazing dates. Because in the modern day, we live in the era of kind of distrust, and we're willing to use almost any reason not to have to go meet somebody for a date because it feels safer and just easier to watch Netflix and not really go out. But this is kind of where Instagram comes in, especially if you're like me and you tend to meet girls through approaching them or meeting them at events or places where you don't really know each other. It's not through a social circle, because this is where Instagram can shine. And I saw this when I met my current girlfriend. I walked up to her on a street and said, "Hi, you look awesome." And then we ended up going for a quick drink. And when we were arranging to meet up again, I asked her, oh, let's exchange numbers. And she was like, "Oh, is Instagram okay?" And I was like, "Yeah, sure." And I gave her my Instagram, and I found out later the reason she asked for that was because she really liked me, but she wanted to use my Instagram just to see a bit more of me and check that I was essentially a normal person, to feel more comfortable to go on the date. And that's what Instagram does. I'm not here to pitch you on sending hundreds of DMs to random girls on Instagram to try and secure a date. I've worked with clients that think this is a good idea, and it's fair to say it's never worked. Instead, Instagram's function is an important one. It's there to operate as a bit of a visual CV for who you are and allow girls to just feel a bit more comfortable meeting up with you, that they know you a little bit better. And because of this, like, we can pull my Instagram up on screen, but as you can see, like, I don't have a massive profile. I don't think I've posted in the last year. And I also don't have that many followers. But what I do have is just some nice pictures of, yeah, fair enough. The pictures, shout out to my editor. He took some amazing photographs that really helped. But you don't need that level. You just need to have some photos like I do of a few with friends, like a few of you doing the activities that you really like. Just someone who feels real, someone that doesn't look like some kind of serial killer predator. Like, if you're out there just exchanging an Instagram with a girl and your main photo, your profile picture is just some anime character, or even worse, blank, and then you don't have anything going on, like, it makes her feel uneasy, and you miss out on having the dates you could have done by exchanging this contact. I'd say it's a very brave girl if I give her my Instagram and it's got nothing on it and she chooses to go on that date, especially if you're dating younger. So I would recommend, if you were looking at your profile right now, it doesn't have to be perfect. Trust me, it doesn't have to be perfect. But the simple steps that I do is make sure you have a profile picture that is you, that's clearly you. It's not you and a bunch of others. It's just a profile picture of your face, like something easy. And then on top of that, have a few photos with friends. Show that people can stand to be around you. There are people around in your life that keep you accountable, and that you're just a bit of a normal, fun guy. Okay, like just one or two easy little group photos, arm in arm, whatever you want. If you can get candid ones, even better, but just like arm in arm, having a good time doing your thing. A couple of the things you enjoy. I've got board games on my profile, I've got running on my profile, I've got cooking on there, and they just tell a story of the things that I enjoy. And honestly, say you're starting up and like, oh, I wouldn't recommend having 0 followers. Like, you don't need to have 10,000 for a girl to think this is a good profile. But 0 does give me like serial killer vibes. So what I recommend doing is just follow the 50 people that you know. And I'm not talking you know well. I think I've got someone on there that I met at the pub once. Like, not all of these people need to be, just because you friended them, follow. So dating myself with Facebook here, but of having them just as contacts, just to have a few. I think anything over 50 is fine. And you might be there like, oh my God, I don't have 50 people. You can probably find some. I think I have family on there. It's like family, people you went to school with, people you work with. Like, you'll find 50 people. Let it go through your contacts and then build out from there. Like, if you've got more than that, you're chill. You don't need to have that much. All Instagram operates in the modern day is like safety check / a little bit more of who this person is. And for me, that meant that this girl who was particularly kind of like shy, reserved, who definitely had never gone on a date with someone that she randomly met on the street before, was just able to, at her own fucking leisure, go through my profile, which I found out she did, every single photo on there. There's not a lot, but still. And she got a picture for who I was, and it made her feel safe enough to then turn up on a date. And we had a great time on that date. And part of the reason was because she felt comfortable. So, for all men out there, if you're wanting to have amazing dates, use Instagram for this. I recommend that more than Facebook. Like, it doesn't operate in the same way, and people use Instagram more interchangeably. Like, use Instagram to be able to cultivate a bit of a profile where you can express yourself. Literally, I think anything more than 5 photos, you're probably pretty good. So, if you're at that stage, you've built that profile, and maybe you want to go out there and start meeting girls so they can view your profile and you can have that exchange, then I recommend learning the ability to approach. It's one of the only ways that you can have true agency over your dating life. And if you want to know the top secrets I've got from approaching over 1,000 girls, I distilled them into this video. So check that out, get downloading Instagram, and go on some amazing dates.